関する合意が間もなく得られる見通しでありまして、パキスタンでの技能試験および日本語試験の実施の可能性、そして実施する技能試験の分野を検討するための協議、これを正式に開始する準備が整えつつあります。仏教外相との間では、これらの進展が見られているということを歓迎し、プロセスを促進していくことで一致をいたしました。この後のワーキングランチでは、私から G7 議長国として G7 広島サミットの成果を共有するとともに、国際条理における協力、そして地域情勢について仏道外務大臣とさらに議論を深める予定にしております。今回の仏道外務大臣の訪日をはずみとして、日本間のさまざまな分野における協力関係を強化し、そして人的交流を活発化するとともに、国際社会における協力についても拡大したいと思っております。私から以上です。
林外務大臣、ありがとうございました。続きまして、仏道外務大臣からご発言いただきます。仏道外務大臣、よろしくお願いいたします。
Thank you. His Excellency, Foreign Minister of Japan, members of the Japanese media, and both delegations, good afternoon. And at the outset, let me express my sincere gratitude to Foreign Minister Hayashi for hosting me in my delegation this morning. This is my first visit to Japan and to this beautiful city, Tokyo. Pakistan and Japan are long-standing friends and share a special bond based on deep-rooted linkages that go far in history and time. The people of Pakistan carry a deep sentiment of warmth and affection for Japan and the Japanese people. We have always stood with each other in times of need. We attach high importance to our relationship with Japan. Last year, we have seen new energy and vigor in the relationship through continued high-level exchanges. I also had the honor to meet the foreign minister in Cambodia in August 2022 on the sidelines of the ministerial meeting of the ASEAN Regional Forum. Today, we continued our discussions from that meeting. I had a very productive discussion with His Excellency this evening on how the two countries can further deepen our bilateral cooperation. We have agreed to further deepen and exchange our mutually beneficial bilateral cooperations in the area of trade, investment, human resource development, and exchange, IT, tourism, and agriculture. We have also jointly agreed to explore the possibility of working together on targeted programs with higher impact in the domains of solarization, desalinization, and water purification, and housing and infrastructure rebuilding in the flood-affected areas in Pakistan. In addition, the two sides have agreed to conduct language skill assessment tests for Japanese language in Pakistan to facilitate movement of skilled workforce. We have identified important import of young Pakistani skilled human resource to Japan and their language training to be a prime area of cooperation. We also deliberated on investments and joint ventures by Japanese enterprise in Pakistan. We are incredibly grateful not only to the government of Japan, but to the people of Japan for the support of the people of Pakistan during last year's floods, during our relief efforts, and your commitment towards our reconstruction and rehabilitation. During my visit, I will also interact with the private sector, local media, as well as think tanks to further broaden our engagement. I believe that both sides need to stay engaged at all levels to further positive dialogue and continue exploring more avenues of cooperation. Once again, Your Excellency, I would like to pay my gratitude to your hospitality and would like to invite you to visit Pakistan at your convenience to further our discussion. Thank you so much.
नाज़रीन, वजीर खारजा बलाول भुट्टो जरदारी टोक्यो में जापानी हम मंसब के हमरा